So today we'll be talking is a fundamental track. So we are not going to talk something specific to any specific products or any specific implementation. So the idea is to give you guys a kind of introduction of what the object detectors are, what are the new trends, how the things evolve. Also, we'll be talking about some performance metrics, how they are computed. They are kind of funny kind of name. For example, we use MAP, which is mean average precision. It's kind of funny name, right? Mean and average, and what we are talking about, right? So we'll go through them, and also some of these performance comparisons which are available in the literature. So mostly we are talking about fundamentals here, introduction, and probably there are other sessions where you go in more deep dive into specific platforms or specific application domains. So that's why this has more time. So we have kind of discussed the fundamentals behind these object detectors. So let's rolling. So the first thing we'll go through is the problem definition. We look at some early deep learning based detectors. We go with recent advancements, performance metrics, performance comparison. Then all we'll touch base on the general guidelines, how to choose a detector in a certain application.